Buzz, you like massages? Okay. Hey guys, it's Eugenia. So right now, I'm still in lockdown, where California, I think, is still in lockdown until like August. It's a while. So anyways, with that going on, I thought that today I would try to do something fun and relaxing and something that I couldn't really go out and do. So I thought today I would do like an at-home spa day kind of thing. And I also thought it'd be really fun to also have my dog Buzz be a part of this. If you guys are hearing kind of like relaxing music, then that's because I also actually have like a sound machine in here. I think Buzz like knows. He's like starting to come in here. Buzz, come in. Oh, he left. Okay. Well, never mind. Buzz has left for now. In a bit, I'm gonna be having him also come in here, and he's gonna be a part of my spa day. I forget where I got these. Probably at some hotel, like back when hotels were open. I feel like this would be a nice like spa-like thing to do. All right, so I have the slippers on. Yay! So I have a lot of like spa things that I'm going to be showing you guys today and just be doing today, and just trying to have like a really peaceful, nice, relaxing day. First thing that I'm going to begin by doing is giving myself a facial. And to do that, I actually have this mask by Dr. Jart, and I bought this at a store called Muji. They're a really cool store. They sell a bunch of like Asian and like Japanese products and things like that. My skin, I don't really feel like does get that dry. Like I would say it's pretty like normal type, I guess. But you know, it's always good to keep your skin moisturized. So I think it would still be a good thing for me to try. So I'm just gonna go in the bathroom real quick, and I'm just gonna kind of like wash my face. And to do that, I'm gonna be using this here, which is a Duvel product, and this is their skincare system. This one is the Radiance one that I'm going to be using today. And these brushes are super great products. I've been using these like all the time lately to clean my skin. Yeah, Duvel was nice enough to send these to me, and I would definitely recommend these. Yeah, I have like no makeup on, by the way, right now, guys, so sorry about that. After you guys see me use this, if any of you guys would be interested in buying this brush or any products on Duvel's website, then you can actually use my code. And when you do that, you can get 70% off on this brush and any other products on Duvel's website. Yeah, I hope that helps some of you guys out. And okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. Before I go into the bathroom, I thought that I would just kind of show you guys some of the products that I'm gonna be using today. And yeah, just kind of how I've been decorating this room to be more like a spa with a lot of candles and products and all that. Oh, and I have more stuff down there. So yeah, it's just like full spa day here. Yeah, so this one also comes with a stand, which you can see right here, which is really nice. It's very like convenient when you just want to put this away when you're not using it. So this comes with, besides the cleansing brush, 4 other brushes. One is a body brush, then there's a prunus brush and a exfoliating brush, and then also a nail brush to use for like shaping. So it's really nice. This definitely has a lot of really good uses. And then this one I put back in the package, but this one is basically really similar, only the other brush has like a setting where you can change the speed between slow and fast, and also comes with the nail file brush. But this comes with all the rest of those brushes too, and it's a bit cheaper, and it's also really great. So yeah, Duvel just has some really great brushes. I've been really loving them. I just thought I'd show you guys that one too. You can use my code, which is Cooney70, and you can get 70% off of either of those brushes or any other products that you might like to buy on Duvel's site. Yeah, I'll also list all that in the description. And this here is also a cleanser from Duvel's site. This is called the Mix Easy Daily Sucrose Cleanser. And this is a cleanser that I've been using that they were also nice enough to send me. And this product is really great because I just find that it's really gentle on my skin. So if you have like sensitive skin or anything like that, it seems like this just doesn't hurt it. And you can either put the product like directly on your face, or you can just put it like directly on the brush. Yeah, and I just love this brush so much. I just feel like it makes washing your face so easy. And any kind of extra product that you have on, it just gets rid of. So the instructions on this mask said to clean your face and then apply toner. And I actually don't really regularly apply toner. So today I am gonna do that. This is a toner that I've never used before by Dr. Hushka. I'm not sure I'm saying his name right, so I'm sorry if I'm not. But so my mom actually let me have one of her extra ones. It smells really pretty. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells really nice. What do you call these? Organic cotton pads. Okay. So I guess we just put this. Oh, so this like sprays. Oh wow, I was doing it all wrong. Alright, so my skin is all cleansed now. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start using this mask. So it says, peel off and discard the film liner and apply mask. It says after that to leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Alright, so how does this come? Oh, wow. It's one of these where it's like an actual like person face mask thing. Alright, well, I better put it on quick, I guess. Oh my gosh, wait, I should have done this in bed. Oh no, my hair. This was a bad idea. My poor bangs. Can I open my eyes? Hopefully I can. Like, I'm hoping. Yeah, okay, good, I can see. Oh my gosh. All right, so I guess it's time to remove this. Here we go. Wow, okay. I guess it's off. That didn't go that bad. I feel like it made my skin really nice though. So yeah, it seemed like a nice facial. Like it felt really nice. All right guys, so now before I continue doing more spa stuff, I think doing makeup could still like fall into that category, you know? Like I think makeup can be pretty relaxing and just like nice to put on and everything. I'll probably just do kind of a quick version since you guys have seen me do my makeup a million times. My face makeup is pretty much done now, so now I'm just gonna do my eyes really quick. I thought for today it's a pretty special day, doing like a spa day and all, then maybe I would try a brand new eyeshadow palette. It's a Juvia's Place palette. This looks like such a cool palette. It's like super bright, kind of like rainbow colors, which I love. I love really bright colored palettes. I'm gonna put on lipstick now. For that, I feel like my eyes got pretty intense. I love this palette and I think the colors are so pretty. I think on the lips, I'm gonna keep it like nude, I guess. I'm gonna use I'm Nude, the Jeffree Star lipstick right now. So finally, last of all, I'm just gonna spray my face with my Urban Decay setting spray. So now everything is finally done. I'm gonna move on with my spa day and go back in the other rooms. So I don't know exactly what you call these, but it just makes the room smell really nice and it's a nice thing to have. So I'm gonna be filling this and it kind of just makes some kind of smoke come out. It's not like actual smoke, I think it's just like the smell of everything. There's different ones you can use. This is a pure essential oil called Yuzu, which I think is like a Japanese citrus. Alright, so I just put in like a good amount. Oh my gosh, wow, it smells so beautiful. I have some of these like fragrance stick things. I think these are just called diffusers. Sorry if that's not the right term for these. This one right here, this was a Nest one. It's an orange blossom smell, and it smells really beautiful, but it's pretty much like out at this point. So I thought, let's open a new one. Yep, I got a new one right here, ready to open. Okay. This room is smelling so beautiful now, and I have my crystals and everything. I also have some candles in here to like set the mood and everything. Gosh, why won't it work? Oh, it worked! Okay, it turned off. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is, this is actually the first time that I've used this. This is, I think, like a foot massage sheet. So what this does, I think, is like, it has bubble jets. So I have the foot spa right here. Yeah, so I have some nice warm water right in this like tea kettle thing. I'm gonna try to be careful with this. Yes, my first time doing one of these ever. Oh, this is like not that warm. Ah. All right, and then there's an on button here. Okay, well, it's pretty gentle, which is nice. I feel like if this was like warmer, this could be really nice. So now I have the Puma Stone head on this. This is great. And it's so gentle, it's like I barely even feel it. That's so nice. And now that I did that, I think today I'm gonna use the Kemp's Koa and Sweet Almond Lotion. I bought this Shimmer body oil. I tried it at Sephora and I loved it. I thought that it was like looked super pretty, and it's just a really, really nice product. But for some reason, I kind of forgot that I had it and I never ended up using it. So I think I'm just gonna also kind of like spray some of this just like on my body and stuff. I don't know how much you guys will be able to tell in camera, but like in person, it's like so shiny and pretty. Buzz! Yay! Buzz is here! Buzz, are you ready for our spa day together? Buzz seems a little bit stressed out. Buzz has been going on a lot of walks, and apparently even though like, you know, nobody can go to stores, it's like a lot of people just kind of like out right now on all of Buzz's walks. So I think he's just a little bit stressed. I think he's calming down. So I'm gonna give Buzz like a nice spa treatment today too, because like he deserves it. He's such a good dog. Buzz! Buzz always deserves to be happy. He's the best dog ever. Alright, so I have like a brush for him. I already like took off his collar and all that. I'm gonna start to brush Buzz. Buzz, it's alright, it's just a brush. Just like make his fur all nice. Oh, Buzz, you're such a good boy. He's being so good right now. Like, he is so calm. Buzz, you like massages? I'm trying to give him like an ear massage. Buzz has like parts of him that he likes to have like massaged or like pet, and in parts that he doesn't like. Some days he'll like roll over and I'll just kind of like, you know, pat like his other side, and he'll like, he loves that. But then if you try petting his tail, he goes crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna give Buzz some nice, it says it conditions and moisturize, and it's a long lasting fragrance. Buzz, I'm gonna give you some nice spray. Oh, Buzz, it's okay, don't worry, you're gonna love it. Buzz, you like the relaxation music? Don't worry, I'm gonna be very careful with Buzz because I love Buzz. I'm not gonna get his eye. I'm gonna be really careful where I spray this, so I'm just gonna do it like right. That smells nice. Oh, Buzz, you like it? Buzz, what are you doing? Buzz, there's nothing to dig there. What are you doing? I hope he likes it. We can wash it off if you don't. There we go. Okay, he's relaxed again. I think he was just having like a moment. Best dog ever here. Buzz has been such a good boy. I want to give him a special gift. So Buzz always loves to play with like toys and things like that. So I thought today I'd give him some new toys. These are my super dog fetch tennis balls. Buzz, do you want a ball? Oh, he's so cute. All right, let's see if he'll actually fetch. I'm not gonna go too far. Buzz, look, another ball. Buzz! Here, I'm gonna make him like get it. Ready? Oh my gosh, they work. All right, guys, well, I think I'm going to end my spa day here. But hey, this way I got to like have a spa day with my dog, which was great. So if you guys liked this video and you enjoyed seeing Buzz, then give it a like, and if you want to watch more videos from me, you can subscribe. And yeah, alright, I love you guys so much, and Buzz loves you guys so much. Bye guys!